Hello everyone, it's me JP from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to get the remaining battery percentage level in the taskbar of any Windows laptop. So without one more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows 11 on my laptop. So you can see here by default when you move your mouse cursor on the battery icon on the taskbar, then only it will show you the battery status or the battery percentage remaining, right? So you need to move all the time your mouse cursor to the battery so that you can see the remaining battery percentage. So it feels little irritating, right? So we want to have directly a number of the remaining battery percentage level that should be shown in the taskbar, right? So by default there is no such tricks by which we can enable or show the battery percentage level in our respective Windows laptop. So for this we need to rely on the third-party applications. So if you're using a Windows 10 or 11 or the higher than that, then you can just go to the Microsoft Store and you can just search for one application name as battery percentage icon. Just search this application name. Now you can see here on the left side, as you can see, this green battery icon. Just click on it. Now you can see your get. So you can click on the get to install this battery icon. So let us click on get. So the app has been downloaded and successfully installed. Now just click on open to open this, and now you can see in the taskbar you can see the remaining battery percentage level. So you can see here it's 84. So let us put our mouse on the, so you can see exactly it's being shown. So to do some customization, you can just right click on this and you can see your settings, and under the settings you can see a tons of options. So by default, once you run this software or applications, you can see your start with Windows. So I'll highly recommend to keep it as enabled so that this application gets started once you turn on your computer automatically. So you can see here some indicator. So if you're searching, then this number pattern will change into the green, and if it's in the critical, so you can see here some more percentage, so it will be turned into red once it's reached to the 10%. So you can change this level to the 5% too, and you can change the low level, you can customize, you can change the normal to which much. You can see the full and the normals is the system that. So let me connect my laptop charger with the current, direct current, and let me give you a preview that this number will convert into green, that is in the charging mode. So let me connect with my current, direct current. So now you can see here I have charged my laptop using a direct current. Now you can see here the number has been turned into the green color. So you can see here, sorry, you can just customize it by clicking on this. So I'll just right now I will keep it as it is. So these are the few settings that you can do under these applications. And there is one more thing. If you want to check the battery details, that is the battery health, whether it's surging or not, you can see the battery capacity, charging rate, battery power line status. So this is also very useful informations if you are in a need. And you can see my battery health status is 100%. That means it's in the excellent conditions. So if you're using a Windows 7 or older Windows versions on your respective laptop, then I'll highly recommend to get you one application similar to this battery percentage icon applications. So for this, just open any web browser and in the Google search, just search for application name as percentage by Cass, and just scroll down below and you will see here one website from the GitHub. As you can see here, see your battery percentage. Just click on it and you can see here some previews in the below, and you can see here on the right side releases. Just click on it and just download this percentage.exe, and you can get the same battery icon level indicator as you can see right now in my Windows 11 Taskbar. So you can get the same for your Windows 7 and the lower Windows operating system running laptops. So definitely a very useful applications to show the remaining battery percentage level in the taskbar of any Windows laptop. So check it out by yourself. So if you find this video tutorial useful, please click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button, and lastly, thanks for watching.